This is Liberty stock number 50535. It's a 40-ton Wysong model H-4072 Hydra-Mechanical press brake, serial number HPB 13-328, built in 1996. 40-ton, 72-inch overall bending length. It's equipped with a Herco 7C single-axis back gauge.
And there it is. Yep. That pretty much explains it, doesn't it? Take a look at the front end, move around the machine a little bit, call out the basics, but we do have our two-hand control right here, emergency palm, and up switch, just to take it up at any point in the cycle. And the elevation rod is right here, of course, to the elevation motor. Buttons over on the other side, show you in a minute. And we do have one lube unit, which works well, right there. Next to it, of course, documentation. Haven't even been through it all, but it looks like we got quite a bit for this one, Pete.
Yeah, machine and control.
Right, that's what I thought. And below that, whenever you're done, the Herco 7, I think this is 7, is that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. 7, just take a quick look in the cabinet. Not that it matters, but it's on. It's the main board right in there. It all works good, as you'll see in a minute. So that said, motor, of course the main motor's up in here. It looks pretty good, no leaks up in here. It all looks clean, dry. And you can come around to the back here, whether you want to go high or low. Hydraulics are up on top, of course. Hydraulic motor, I should say, so. And the tank. Filter off to the right. Down low, we got the back gauge itself, of course. And we presently got a 4-station job in there. I just picked out of many jobs that are in there. It's got elevation. I haven't really played with any of this, but it goes back and forth really nice. It works well. There's no problems with it. Come along the side. Main switchgear panel to begin with. The relay logic down there, and one starter for the motor. And your key switches, which is pretty standard stuff. Inch manual auto up on top down there. High low or high stop low. I haven't tried that one. If I think of it, we can switch over to that. And then of course, foot or palms. We're currently on palms. And then start stop. So that, and this is fast to feed here. Again, I haven't played with it. It all came in pretty much set up. So I'm using a full stroke. I just left the tabs where they are. We're doing a full stroke up and down just for the sake of operation, see how it runs. But that's your reversing switch, and that's the fast to feed switch or pressing switch, you might call it. The other motors up here. And the Herco control. Again, without doing a lot with it, only because there was stuff on there. You see I've already got station number 1, dimension 8.9. And that just came out of this list over here. I just picked one with 4 stations on it, which is 505.319. Enter it and hit run. And I'm on station 1, it's ready to go. In fact, right here, I think I could just enter and, no, that won't take it. I thought it would. I know there's a way just to step it through the program one at a time, but I don't think you could be in a run state to do it. It might be easier just to watch it whenever I'm running. Again, the elevation up, I can start the motor right away. We gotta get oil running before we can play with this. So I'm gonna start the pump motor and we'll power it up. Which I gotta drop it, I don't wanna step in this. So, pump on. I'm in manual palms, so for the time being, all I'm gonna do is just hit up. I'm on a mid-stroke, I think, so they go up slowly. There goes the back gauge. It doesn't know, so it's gonna walk through its stations, which is okay. I'm gonna manually bring it up and down now. Off the palm. And go over to automatic now on foot pedal. I put the stop switch on there. Let's see what that does. I think yeah, see it stops at the bottom, and I can get off it and go back on again. I'll do it one more time where it stops. I'm holding the foot pedal down, off, and then back on again. Or we just go to a full cycle. Still on foot pedal and auto, yeah. I'm on auto, foot pedal, full cycle. You kind of see station 3. There's one more station here coming up. That's 4. Next one, it'll go back to 1. Runs nice. There's station 1. And if I kill it halfway down, I think I just go right back up. See, that all works. And if you come over here for elevation, I can run it down. You can kind of see the screws. They both work. It's this whole shaft change and the screw right there. Maybe I have to be in manual to do this. Let me see. I don't think it'll let me play with that in auto. Let's see. I had it a second ago. I'm not sure what mode we have to be in. Stop. Elevation down. Let me go to palms. Maybe dual palms. Or maybe not. Worked 10 seconds ago, but about inch. Nothing there. And, oh, I'm sorry. There it is. Ram elevation was off. There's a key on the panel for it, for safety. There she goes. There's going down. I'm just going to take it back up because I don't want to crash the dies. I'm not a setup guy, so you can go see the other one if it's all at the other end there. We'll do a little bit more. Down. Back up again. There we go. This is an inch. I don't know if we did inch yet, but this is inching. I guess for setup purposes. Am I on dual palms? Yeah. Inching. I forgot to do it. I haven't done this yet. So inching, you just get it all the time. It's not a cycle though. It's real slow. Or back up. Or back to automatic. I'm still on dual palms, aren't I? So, yep. And once more, and getting off foot, go back to foot pedal. That's pretty much it. I mean, runs nice. We'll kill the oil.